That's beautiful. Oh, hi there, boys and girls. I didn't know you could see me from there. My name is Miss Husna, and today I will be teaching you all about the beautiful moon that you can see behind me, about the shapes that the moon can get into, and about the beautiful night sky. Now, can someone tell me, are we in the daytime or are we in the nighttime? We are in the nighttime. What can tell us that we are at night? Let's have a think. What can we think of when it is nighttime? Let's close our eyes and think. Do we see the sun when it's nighttime? Do we see the clouds when it's nighttime? Let's open our eyes. We see the beautiful stars, we see the beautiful moon, and we also see a beautiful black sky. Now, in today's lesson, we are going to explore that the moon can also change shapes. It can change into a big full moon, like the one behind me. It can change into a crescent, like the one over here. Or it can also change into a quarter, which is the one above me. Those are the different types of ways that the moon changes. What about the night sky? Do we see one or two stars in the night sky, or do we see lots of amazing and beautiful stars? We see lots of amazing, beautiful stars. We see little stars, we see big stars, we see, little tiny stars, and we see lots of them around the night sky. Now, let's first talk about the moon. Now, as we can see, the moon comes out during the daytime or the nighttime. It comes out during the nighttime. Yes, and what happens when the moon comes out? What happens to the sun? Where does the sun go? Does the sun go away or does the sun stay? Now, let's think about it. The sun actually turns away. When it is nighttime here in Australia, on the other side of the world, it is daytime. Now have a think. Does the moon have its own light? Let's think. Let's think. Guess what, boys and girls? The moon does not have its own light. The sun reflects its light, and that's how you see the moon is shining so bright in the night sky, because it gets help from the sun by the sun sharing some of its light so that we can see the beautiful and amazing moon that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created for us. Now, let's talk about the shapes that the moon goes into. So first of all, it goes into a quarter shape. And you can see from over here the types of sizes that it goes into. And then you can see the full moon is in the middle, the center. So then it comes quarter, 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 quarter. Full moon, crescent, 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 like you can see up there. Now, once we've done that, we are going to now talk about the stars. Now, put your hand up if you know what a star is. I can see lots of people putting their hands up. A star, boys and girls, is a ball of gas that is up in the sky, but it's thousands and thousands of kilometers away from us. So that's why we see little tiny circles in the sky. But those little tiny circles, they have lots of light and lots of gas in them, which makes them look beautiful. And you know what another thing is? Guess what? You know how in the classroom we go into groups and we do like group works and we do group activities? Guess what? The stars go into groups as well. Now you're probably thinking, how can a star go into a group? It is just a small ball of gas. How can that happen? Well, there is a special word that scientists call a group of stars, and that is called constellations. Sounds like a big word, doesn't it? Let's all try and break it out. Break it down. Constellations. Fantastic. Let's say it all together. Constellations. Whoa, what just happened? Wasn't the moon just there? Oh, I could see so many stars. A group of stars. And a group of stars, boys and girls, is called a constellation. Now, what does that mean? You know how you get a piece of paper and you draw lots of circles, and in those circles you can draw lots of pictures when you combine all the lines all together, like dot to dot drawing? That's the same with stars. When there are lots of stars all together, when they come together, we can actually, by using our imagination, draw lines, and in those lines we can actually make pictures. We'll be learning more about that though in the next coming lesson. Now, who wants to do their own an amazing constellation? So we're going to draw our own little stars all together. Who wants to do that? Are you all excited to be little scientists and you all draw little stars and amazing stars too? I can't wait to see all of the amazing work that each and every one of you will be doing. Don't forget, the moon comes at night, the stars come at night, and so does the sky color change. It changes from blue to black. I hope you all enjoyed this video and I can't wait to see the amazing drawings you guys have. Assalamu alaikum, boys and girls.